everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In this edition, we shall be discussing about the Martand Sun Temple of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, recently, this was in news as the J&K Lieutenant Governor participated in a religious ceremony held in the ruins of the 8th century Martand Sun Temple, that is a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India under the Ministry of Culture. Let's discuss about the Martand Sun Temple a bit more. So, this temple has been recognized as the site of national importance. It is a Hindu temple located in the city of Anantnag in the Kashmir valley of Jammu and Kashmir. It dates back to the 8th century AD and was dedicated to Lord Surya, the chief of solar deity in Hinduism. It was once a thriving place of worship that was commissioned by Lalitaditya Muktapida. It was destroyed by Sikandar Shah Miri in the 14th century. It was an excellent specimen of Kashmiri architecture which had blended the Gandharan, Gupta and the Chinese forms of architecture. So who was Lalitaditya Muktapida? Lalitaditya was the most powerful ruler of the Karkota Dynasty of Kashmir. The 12th century chronicler Kalhana characterizes Lalitaditya as a world conqueror in his work 𝐼𝐸𝐻𝐵. He ruled for 37 years from 724 to 761 Common Era. His rule is considered a golden age in Kashmir where art, architecture and learning flourished. Due to his conquests, scholars have called him Alexander of Kashmir. Kalhan's 𝐸𝐻𝐵 states that the Karkota dynasty was found by King Durlabhvardhana in 625 CE and Lalitaditya was the fifth ruler. He built the largest empire after Ashoka. Also, Lalitaditya founded the township of Parihaspura on the plateau near Srinagar city. This township had many temples with images of Vishnu, Shiva and Lord Buddha. Now let's discuss about the Karkota dynasty that was from 625 to 855 AD. This dynasty ruled over the Kashmir valley and some northern parts of Indian subcontinent during the 7th and the 8th centuries. Durlabhvardhana was the founder of the Karkota dynasty. Their rule saw a period of political expansion, economic prosperity, and the emergence of Kashmir as center of culture and scholarship. The Karkota rulers were Vaishnavas and constructed several Vishnu shrines in their dominions. They also patronized Buddhism as some stupas, chaityas and viharas have been found in the ruins of their capital. Now let us take up a practice question on this topic. Martand Sun Temple was seen in the news recently. Consider the following statements in this regard. First, it was commissioned by King Durlabhvardhana, who was the founder of the Karkota dynasty. Second, it is located in the Kashmir valley of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, which of the given above statements are correct? You can write your answers in the comment section below. So, as we know, the correct answer is B, that is only the second option is correct, that is, it is located in the Kashmir valley of Jammu and Kashmir. The first statement is wrong as it was commissioned by Lalitaditya Muktapida, who was a ruler of the Karkota dynasty of Kashmir. So the correct answer is B only. Well, that's a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. For regular updates, you can follow us on our social media handles. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the next IAS YouTube channel.